Good day guys, welcome to another video with teacher Satya. In this video you guys will be learning about the properties of tangents to a circle. Now make sure you watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So first things first, let's understand what do we mean by a tangent. Alright guys, so a tangent touches the circle at a point, and this point is what we call the point of tangency. Alright guys, and we also know that a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to its radius. Alright guys, now let's take this understanding and solve few questions. Alright, so in question number 1, we know that PB is the tangent and PO is the radius. Alright guys, so therefore our angle OPB will be equal to 90 degrees. Alright guys, now in order for us to find the value of x, it's pretty easy. All we got to do is we got to take 180 and subtract from the angles that we know from the triangle. So in this case we have 180 minus 90 minus 50, right guys, and this is what we call the sum of the angles or in a triangle theory. All right guys, therefore the value of x will be equal to 40 degrees. All right guys, now keep in mind in a triangle there are 3 angles and all of these 3 angles add up to 180 degrees. That is why we subtracted it from 180. All right guys, now let's go to question number 2 here. Again we see that CD is the tangent, CO is the radius, therefore our angle OCD is equal to 90 degrees. Alright guys, now using the same steps from the previous question, we can go ahead and find the value of x. So x will be 180 minus 90 minus 65, which is equal to 25 degrees. Alright guys, now let us do one more question. Now in this question we see that OT is the radius and TM is the tangent, right guys? Therefore angle OTM will be equal to 90 degrees, right guys? And we can find a value of x by doing what we did in the previous question. So 180 minus 90 minus 25, which is equal to 65 degrees. Alright guys, and that is how we would find the measure of an angle in a triangle using the tangent radius property. Now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.